Wow.
Yeah, she got a little messed up.
It's tearing up. All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Y'all going in? Yep. I'll go in then. Awesome. How you doing? What's your name? What's in here, man?
Joe.
Alright.
18-inch crossfire XS V4s.
Okay.
The front two are V1s, the back two are actually V2s.
Okay.
They're on two XS 8Ks, pumping about 7,500 for each amp. Hear about the mids and the highs and everything.
Oh, everything. Yeah, man. Go ahead.
14 mids, they're pretty much all Scar mids. Mostly 6.5s, 2 8s in the back. I got 2 PRV horns and 4 Scar speakers. They're on, I don't remember the models or nothing. One's a crossfire for the mids for the highs, and then the other one is Sundown SFB for the mids.
How's your alternator battery power?
Battery power is the Grand X 12K RMS, 35 power, 7 total. And then I got 2 Jonathan Patrick alts. One is Grand X, the other one is CES. Running dual. I think we just started a new competition. 370 CES.
Alright. And you know your whole system. Did you build this?
Yes.
Nice job.
I didn't build the box, and I didn't do the panels, but I
Yeah.
installed everything, wired everything.
Wow. So you kind of, did you cut the metal to work it, or is it just the glass?
The glass was removed completely, and then the cap had to be cut to match the glass. We were hoping to get a little bit wider, but the designer picked what we
Okay.
wanted, so.
Wow.
Yeah, she got a little messed up.
It's tearing up. All right. And you got your back seats. Is that was your goal, I guess,
Yes,
to have?
100%.
Because a lot of trucks I've seen their back seats going, and they actually put their amp rack right here.
Oh,
But
go on in 4-person demo.
yeah, you have it in the back, so.
Yeah. Are you JacobViral?
Yes, sir. I'm doing video.
I've seen you.
Yeah.
Look forward to seeing you.
Yes, sir. I don't show my face too much, but lately I've been doing a little better about that. All right. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it if that's all right.
What's that?
Can I hear it?
Oh,
Yeah, I love it, man. Appreciate it. Thanks, man, for.
Window out is loudest for you.
All right, let's do it.
Catch him, I'm landing mixed up with UGK. Maybe try to book a drink, but I'm on it strong. Yours weaker than 7 days. Sweeter than triple man. Presidential. Sipping shine, so ain't nowhere to get us.
That is great. Like, really bandwidth, musical, and actually it's pretty loud with your back seats having all this cabin space. You've done a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Very good musical build, and you got your back seats. That was your goal, I guess,
Yes,
to have?
100%.
Because a lot of trucks I've seen their back seats gone, and they actually put their amp rack right here.
Oh,
But
go on and 4-person demo.
yeah, you have it in the back, so.
Yeah.
Appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
Joe.
Joel?
Joe.
Joe. All right, Jacob. Thank you, man.
Oh, we have one.
Yes, sir.